Okay, what we have here, I'm trying to create ozone. This is just a very primitive setup, just a real quick first attempt to see how it goes. I left quite a bit of gap in there. I'm not sure how well that will work with the extra gap. So I just want to see how it goes the very first time. What I have is just a jar inside of a jar with some tin foil. I'm using a neon power supply, which I just taped it all together just to keep the wires apart. There's tin foil inside the big glass jar, and there's tin foil on the small glass jar, which is on the inside. I also have a fire extinguisher readily handy, just in case. I don't know if this is on just yet or not, so yes it is. Well, what you can see there, you see that purple, that's the creation of ozone. I'm not sure if that just burnt this or not. This is warm, or not warm, still cold. Try that again. Alright, so it was working. I can smell it. It's tripping something out and going back on and off. So this is drawing a lot. This probably has some sort of safety mechanism and it's stopping. It may be because this setup is just not made for this much power. This is 10,000 volts. I think your minimum maybe around like 3,000 volts for creating ozone. So for this kind of setup, it probably needs something just a little less powerful, and I need to create a better setup for something with this much power. Alright, I'm back. What I've done now, I've made a couple changes here. I just eliminated using the larger jar that I had originally, just went with the smaller one. I filled the inside with the tin foil, and I went more on the outside. So now I have a larger surface of tin foil inside and out. There's a lot less gap, and I made sure that I had a better connection between the wire setup here. So now I'm going to give it a little bit better shot. This should work better just to create some ozone. This isn't going to be the final setup. What I would like to do is I'll create a box. Maybe I'll have some PVC pipe, and then inside the PVC pipe I want to be able to create the arc for the ozone inside there with a fan to blow it, so that way it circulates and pushes out, and I get a lot more air flowing through the house or the area that I'm working in to do the experiments with. Alright, so I'm going to turn that off. This way we can see the purple glow a little bit better. It's definitely working a lot better. Bring this up. As you can see, that purple glow inside of there, that's the ozone being created. When you get a nice purple glow, that's when you know that's what you're getting. So basically the whole thing, wherever there's that good connection there between the outside and inside aluminum, will create that. And it's really smelling very, very much, so it's definitely pushing out a really good amount of ozone. So I'm only doing this for a minute. I'm not really going to do it too long for now through this setup. This is just very basic, just for the first bit of experimentation. So turn that off, and it's not hot at all. It stays cold. Nothing heats up. So that's about it.